guys want me to do the latest trend with them. Let's go! We started with a fluffy cat bed. I gave it a single paw of approval and then walked away. A cardboard box. I am not in my box era. I rather chew it than sit in it. Heated pad. More like hated pad. Not impressed. Then came the concrete slab, the trendy cat bed every cat is raving about. I don't know what all the fuss is about. Should I try it? I sniffed every inch, still not convinced. I mean, I could like it. I might like it, but I will never let them know. They were waiting for me to love it, so I didn't. Later that night, when I thought no one was watching, oops, they caught me. Busted.